Where are you? Coming on me land. I hate you. And I will find you somewhere. This will be the last time we dance. You will meet your match. Because tonight, we shall fight.
Oh, Rich! Where are you? I know you're in my land. This is my ancestors. If I find you, I'm gonna kill you. Oh, Rich! Where are you, Ulrich?
George!
Ulrich!
Why are you on my land?
Why on my land?
This is my border!
No, my ancestors went to court and you were found guilty.
No! Your land's over there!
No, your land over there. This is my land.
This is my house!
No, my land.
You come into my land, shoot my game, and then try to take all of the people?
No, you come to my land. I'm gonna shoot you and kill you.
I left my foresters to come meet you here. You ain't taking it.
No, I'm taking it right now.
My deer, my elk, my buffalo, that's all mine!
I'm gonna kill you.
My legs!
My feet, my legs. I'm trapped.
This bloody tree!
The tree. It's got us.
I knew it was a bad idea to come out in this stormy weather.
This is my land. You shouldn't have come on it anyway.
Let's try to lift it.
It's too strong. We can't get it. It's too big.
My muscles. I hate you! Why do you have to come out
I
to my
hate
land?
you.
This never would have happened. Oh
No.
my God.
My men are gonna come and then we're gonna roll the log on you and then we're gonna let you here to die.
Oh no, you won't!
Yeah.
My men are gonna come over here. We're gonna march on over, pick
No.
this tree up, put it on you, and then flatten it on you, alright?
No.
Yes.
No.
My men know exactly where I am.
Now we're gonna
wherever
come
I
over
am.
here and we're gonna curb stomp your face right into that ground.
No way, man.
Yeah, man.
Oh, you did?
Nuh-uh.
My men don't be coming over here, they'll be coming to knock you to the ground, man.
No.
That's how we do it down
Nah,
here.
man. Goon squad over
Up
here,
north,
bro.
we come down hard.
No, we come
I
down.
come from Russia.
Goon squad over here, man. Russia.
You know what?
What?
The train hurts.
The tree.
It's getting awfully chilly.
I'm getting thirsty.
Here,
Quite parched.
I have a flask of Amontillado.
No. Can I have some?
Yeah. I was thinking maybe we should become friends.
I agree.
Like, imagine us walking into the market together.
It'd be like first class royalty.
All the faces looking at us.
Everybody. We'd be like the best royalty in town.
We could share the game and become famous.
Yes, we could get all the 6-pointers, 7-pointers, and 8-pointers.
All we have to do is somehow move this tree.
Just the tree. We gotta get it. But if our men come, we'll get us both out and we'll be like royalty.
If our men
Go.
If my men arrive here first, I will have them remove this heavy log off your legs and put you in the wool blankets we have.
No. Oh, Rich, that might be the sweetest thing anybody has ever done for me.
Well, we're best friends now,
Yes.
and together we shall own this forest.
Yes, it'll be like royalty all over again.
It will be like Romeo and Juliet.
Yes.
except we're two guys. Owning the woods.
Two men owning that.
They own this vast land! But first, we must try to lift this one last time.
It's too large for our weak muscles.
I see something out there in the woods.
What is it?
It looks like our men! Our men!
Our men!
Over here! Wait,
That's not our men.
it's wolves! Sasquatch!
Sasquatch!
This is the last time we'll ever see each other! I just want to tell you!
Let's embrace each other!
Who stepped in dog poop?
My arm just take
Why?
Cause there's dog poop right there. Oh!
you. Is it you? Brent, am I allowed to take a pee in this wood?
You can't find my recording feed.
George! Stop.
Go.
Ulrich! What are you? I know you're on my land.
Do it like 7 zigzags.
All right,
Brent,
we have to
you're
do.
filming this, I swear.
We have to do our battle.
Alright. Follow my lead.
What's John just follow?
Wait, first we have to talk, then we battle.
No.
Let's just put it in sequential order. Alright, let's go. Right now. Brett, come on, get it close. Come. I will have my men get you up first and keep you warm.
That is so thoughtful, Jonathan.
If my men arrive first, I will have them remove this heavy log off you and keep you warm.
No, that might be. Oh, God. Hang on. Dude, it's answer sound. You don't have to go so good.
If my men arrive here first, they will remove this heavy log off you and keep you warm.
No, Ulrich, might be the sweetest thing anybody has ever done for me.
That's because I have feelings for you.
What are you doing, John?
I'm having trouble getting up because I messed up my ankle. Brett, stop videoing.